Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of Clapper. Here we go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will scrolling down until you find this application of Clapper and you will enter. Then you will go to permissions like this. You will check if all these permissions are allowed of camera, microphone, music and audio, notifications, photos and videos. You can also allow the permission of location like this. You will click here allow only while using the app or ask every time. And then you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then we go to storage. After that, you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Clapper and then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.